Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Pepe today is making somewhat it's coming off to a decision making time, and previously 2 days ago, yesterday didn't make an update, but the last video that I made, I told you that 8th of June is going to be an important date because this triangle is extending until 8th of June. Today 7, so within the next 24 hours you're about to get some clear direction. So if you look at it, we had a triangle, we had the support of the triangle coming in, we have this upper resistance coming in as well. So I'm just going to drag this all the way up just to make sure things are touching one another, and in here as well we're going to just adjust this one. So we're pretty much at the very end of this whatever this little bit of a squeeze is happening between here. And then if you do pop to the upside, I do expect Pepe to go back to where it came from, which is 17,000. If you pop down, then you may be looking for this technical target down to where's this one? This is gonna be down to 12,494. Now, of course, again, 24 hours are left. One more thing is we do have a divergence, which is pretty good, and this can actually even save the day. So if you look at the divergence, you have the prices that look a little bit like this, and you have the prices moving a little bit to the opposite. So that's all that I can come up with right now in the 4-hour time frame. So that's all for this very quick update today. Have a blessed Friday, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.